Hello all, welcome back to the new session. In this session, I am going to discuss about the path process. Like in our previous videos, we have done the transactions, like we have created the enterprise structure and company codes and business area, functional area and credit control areas for a company, and we have done bit of transactions in the SAP Easy Access screen. So I am going to explain the path process. Until now we have done with the help of the T codes, but now I am going to explain the path process, like without the help of the T code. If for example, if we forget the T code, then how should we fetch the same T code in through the path process? Okay, and the path process is like it will be done with the help of the command SPRO. It is meant by Special Project Reference Objective. The S is spelled as Special Project Reference Objective. You can hit enter. Here you could see this is like SAP reference IMG. It means like SAP implementation guide. Okay, in this, after clicking this, we will have multiple, like there will be lot of modules in the SAP, right? So right now we are doing the enterprise structure. Like we can find the path process for each and every module in this SAP implementation guide. Like if you forgot the T codes, then we can do the same by following through the path process. We can do with the help of path process. Now until now we have done the transactions in the enterprise structure, like we have created the enterprise structure. So I want to remind you the same T codes in the pathway process, like how can we do through the pathway process, like, and how to fetch through the pathway process. So I am showing you here. You could follow this video for better explanation. Like right now we need to click on the enterprise structure. After that we need to click on the definition, because we are in the starting stage. So here there are different modules under enterprise structure. This is financial accounting, this is controlling, this is logistics, this is sales and distribution, this is materials and management, like this human resource management, plant maintenance. Like this number of modules will be there. Right now in our course of videos we are covering financial accounting. So click on the financial accounting. Here you could see the transactions all we have done. Okay, this is define a company. Define a company is nothing but we should create a company. Like we have created A, B, C, D, E group of companies. Okay, and credit control area, we have created a credit control area ABCA for ABC Technologies company. Okay, in this here we could for example, if we click on this, we will get a pop-up page. Here we can do the two transactions, like one is editing the company code data which is already existed, copying or deleting the company code which is already created. Okay, so that is what we can do with this, with the help of this transaction code, this path process. And define business area, we have created a business area for a company code, like it is ABCT, and we have created three functional areas, one for HR and one for sales and one for production department as well. And maintain consolidation business area is nothing but sub branch of business area. That is what we have mentioned. And this is like maintain FM area. We have not discussed these three topics, and these three topics will come in the upcoming sessions. Okay, and like this, for example, if you want to create a company, you need to click on this, so it will directly take to the new company creation page. Okay, here you could search the company code which we have given already, and it would show like ABCD AB Technologies which we have created earlier. Okay, you can click on the back or else F3 page if you wish to come to the same, or else for example if you have went to completely back, then we need to go through SPRO, hit enter, and SAP, click on the SAP reference IMG. After enterprise structure, once again I am repeating, definition for financial accounting. Here you could see all the things which we could do. And in the controlling section also we can we can see all the things: maintaining controlling area, creating cost centers for the company, and creating operating concerns, everything. Okay, and this is how we can check in the path process if we forgot any T code. Like for example, I will show you another way as well. See, here we could find a search bar, or else there is a shortcut for this, control F. Before giving the command, I would explain you a short example. For example, our job is like daily posting the documents. So for that, normally we use the T code FS00. So now let's search with the transaction code FS00. Okay, and hit enter. See, here you could find like FS00 centrally. In the accounting, it is individual process of posting the documents. Okay, now for this is user specific settings. For some users, for example, for me, that it is showing, it is displaying the transaction code along with the technical name. Okay, but for some other users, there might be a chance for not like the T code will not be displayed like this. If someone finds the same problem, I'm sorry with my English, if someone like observe the same problem, then I would show the easy way for resolving this issue. Okay, for this the solution is go to extras. On the settings, you should tick on this display technical names. Okay, now for example, I am showing you, I'm clicking you like this. Now see, let's find FS00, hit enter. Now it is just showing the name centrally. Now there is no transaction code next to this or before this. Okay, so once again, go to extras, click on the settings, display technical names, save this setting. Now once again, let's try this FS00, hit enter. Now you observe the FS00 centrally. So this is how we will resolve we should resolve the problem of not finding the transaction code next to the technical name. Or else if you are well experienced, then there won't be any issue with the T code. You can directly search with the technical name. Here you could see, like in this search bar, there is two options, one with the technical name, one in the form of text. If you give here example, if you give here centrally, it would automatically take you to the path process which is assigned with the name centrally. Okay, see, it has now taken to the subsequent settlement, and in this sub module, then it has taken to create centrally. Okay, actually this module is not related to us, but I just this is related to material management logistics department. So I'm just, for example, I'm showing you this in the form of technical now. So this is how, and this is for this class, guys. I hope you guys understand the session well, and so I request you to give a like if you think my knowledge is worth, and you could share this video to your friends who are willing to learn SAP FICO. And please subscribe my sessions for getting update for all new upcoming sessions. Okay, thank you, have a great day, bye bye.